Retired Kano Dr. Chiza Besigye yagira ngu yahereze kutabariza omuramuzi Emmanuel Baguma omukachiko akarukurra abaramuzi aka Judicial Service Commission konkaremira omushango gwabo. Besigye na bagenzi be basimba amakanda barukushaba omuramuzi ogu kwarwo omushango gwabo bagumize ngu berarikirire kwatarukuza kuhereza oburinganiza omukusharamu. Abo kwija mu koti bareta omubukumi bw'amaani kandi baja mu koti eyi barumu tiyo bashemerire kuba barumu ngu bakabire bari omu International Crimes Division Court.
That your treatment of our application considered that either you are grossly incompetent, if you could not read what was on file before you, or at least biased. If you have not received a notification of that complaint by the Judicial Service Commission, as they are required to extend it to you, I'm sure you will receive it. Our complaint, my complaint and the complaint of my colleague Haj Obeid Rutale against you, one of the things that it could achieve would be to remove you from the office of judge.
Arikwegambaho Captain Dennis Ola omwomba akwasirwe yagambira koti ngu ari omu koti omu Buhenda Biragiro agumize ngu omushango gubamutireho tiwe yagukozire. Ogu najangwa amazina ge ni Captain Danish Oya All aine emyaka 43 ey'obukuru kandi wa Infantry Division konkora okujunana omushango ni Captain Dennis Ola ow'emyaka 48 owa Engineering Brigade.
My names, age and even the unit are totally different. I am RO 12743, Captain Denish, it is DENIS H Oya
Ebyona orubajo ruhababa orwaba rwebembirwe Richard Birivumbika rwabahakanisa kandi bajangwembo haba kote yibarumu niyekire omuramuzi omushango gwo yagwongezayo kusiye 2015 kwezoko.
I should just leave it like that.
Gasha kwa Abdukarim Sengendo.